Hey, what's up, Sami here. In this video, we're gonna compare Galaxy S20 Ultra camera with Mi 10 Pros. Again, huge thanks to my partner iPhone Tech. For the full review, you can check out the channel, link in the description. For the camera specs of the S20 Ultra, it sports a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, a 108 megapixel wide angle lens, a 48 megapixel telephoto lens, and a depth vision lens, which makes the phone supporting 10 times hybrid zoom and 100 times digital zoom. As you can see from the interface, S20 Ultra offers 6 focal lengths for you to choose from. From our experience, the zoom is quite smooth if you switch between next to each other, but if you switch from 0.5 times to 100 times directly, you will notice a huge lag. I guess it's because of the firmware problem, or the phone we tested was a prototype. As you can see, the official demo of S20 Ultra is super smooth. While comparing to Mi 10 Pro zoom, honestly, Xiaomi is not that good. After all, S20 Ultra has a way better hardware. Now, let's check out more photo samples. I gotta say, the pictures took on the 100 times zoom are unusable. They're blurry and noisy. This kind of zoom is more of a gimmick than practicality in my opinion. Judged from the pictures, the S20 Ultra's 100 times zoom outperforms Mi 10 Pro's 50 times zooms. The text looks clearer and less blurry. While for the 10 times and 4 times zoom, S20 Ultra's performance is still better than Xiaomi 10 Pro. It has better picture analysis and color performance, but you gotta know, Ultra's price is almost twice that the Mi 10 Pro, so there's a reason that Ultra uses better hardware. Its periscope lens is without doubt better than Mi 10 Pro's 9 megapixel non-periscope lens. If you have to use the 100 times zoom from the S20 Ultra, I highly suggest you put on a tripod, otherwise it's too shaky to use. For the primary camera, both phones adopt 108 megapixel lens. The difference is that S20 Ultra uses the second generation technology, which combines 9 pixels into one single pixel and outputs a 12 megapixel image. While for Xiaomi, it combines 4 pixels into one and outputs a 27 megapixel image. For S20 Ultra, after 9-in-1 pixel combination, the pixel area reaches to 2.4 micrometers and theoretically has a better performance in dark conditions. As we didn't have time for night shooting, let's just compare what we've got with the two phones. From this group of photos, Xiaomi performs better overall. We can clearly see Xiaomi is well exposed on those chairs on the left. However, S20 Ultra has a better exposure on the right. While we zoom in, S20 Ultra seems to have better details and crispness. For these glass cups pictures, S20 Ultra generates a more true-to-life color than Mi 10 Pro. When we zoom in, S20 Ultra still has better details. Also, S20 Ultra has a better exposure on the highlight part. For this one, what do you think? Let us know in the comment section. We assume S20 Ultra wins for the color accuracy and details. When moved to outdoors, the differences are not big. Xiaomi overall has a pleasing color, whereas S20 Ultra color tends to warm, looks more true to life. But when we zoom in, each Mi 10 Pro photo outperforms S20 Ultra. How is that possible? As the Galaxy officials told us, then they are still tuning the camera, and this is not the final performance of S20 Ultra. I just can't wait to see what the official version of S20 Ultra's camera has to offer later. Alright, that's the video. Let me know what you think down below. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. See you next time.